Hi guys, welcome back. Princess here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, don't forget you can follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below, and to subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, like this video, and share this video as well. So guys, for today's video I decided to create this look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. And without further ado guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, I'll just take my brow pencil and fill in my brows, draw my brows, line it on the upper part and the lower part of my brows, and clean it up using my Evergirl concealer in the shade Toffee. I'll just clean up both the lower and the upper part of my brows. Then I'll brush my spoolie and use my eyeshadow primer from Evergirl. Then I'll be using that Impress You palette, and I'll just go with that milky shade, then with the light brown, then with the dark brown. Blend. Then I'll cut my crease using my Evergirl concealer in the shade Toffee. Then I'll just apply a eyeshadow primer to that place. Then I'll go with that purple and just use it for the outer part of the place I cut. Then go with the red for the middle part. It's a reddish pink, so I just put it in the middle part, and with that brown for the inner part. Then I'll just blend all those colors, and I'll draw my eyeliner using my NYX gel eyeliner. Then I'll fix my lashes. I have a video on this, so please check it out. Then I'll use my mascara from Maybelline's prime my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Then I'll apply my foundation from Mary Kay and blend using a damp beauty blender. Then I'll highlight my face using my Evergirl concealer in the shade Toffee. I have a video on how I highlight and contour, so please check it out as well. Set my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Dust off excess powder. Contour my face using my Evergirl concealer in the shade Espresso. Guys, don't forget to check out my video on how I highlight and contour. I'll just link it in the description box below. Just blend, blend, blend. Then I'll apply that powder from Mary Kay to the places I just contoured. My contour powder. Blend and dust off excess powder. I'll apply mascara to my lower lashes. Apply my blush from Nicka K. Set my face with my setting spray from Essence. Highlight my face using my Beauty Creations highlighter. Line my lips using my Jacquard Beauty Auto Lip Liner in the shade Rosewood. Then I'll apply my Wet n Wild nude lipstick. Blend the lipstick and the lip liner. Then I'll just apply that e.l.f. pink lipstick to the middle part of my lips. So guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. And with that guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.